To change the combination on a Sargent and Greenleaf lock, what we encourage that you do is have the door open, use the detent lever, and put the bolts out. This will enable you to not be locked out of your safe in case something does happen while trying to change your combination. In this case, what we will do is we will start out and we will press 7 4 star. And then we will enter in our current combination or the factory default code. Follow that with the pound sign. After you do that, you'll get 5 quick beeps from the lock. That time you'll press 1 and then star. And you'll enter in your new code that you would like to change it to. Follow that with the pound sign. After you press the pound sign, you'll then re-enter your code again, your new code, for verification. You'll get 3 more beeps. After that, we recommend that you let the safe sit for just a second and then go ahead and try your new combination to make sure that it works. After you verify that it works one time, we recommend that you do it a second time just to make sure that your combination will work properly so that you do not get locked out of your safe. So use the detent lever. Again, while the door is open, make sure that you do not close the door with the bolts out. This will damage the paint across the frame of the safe or the lock bolts themselves. So make sure that the door is open all the way, full 90 degrees. Then go ahead and try your new combination again. If it works and there are no complications, then go ahead and shut the door and lock your safe.